If you're using WordPress, one of the first pages you'll see when you first log in is this dashboard. If you go up to the corner to My Sites, click on My Sites, then you'll get a page for all the different sites that you are a member of, or that you have created yourself. There should be a link here that says Create a New Site. Scroll down to the bottom. You have an option to give your site a name, a site title. So your site name would be staffweb.hawthorne73.org/ whatever you choose. If I'm using my Hawthorne login, I might do readj. And since this is for reflections, I might do something like read reflections. Go ahead and click Create Site, and then you would do the same steps that you use to create your Hawthorne teacher site. This one, though, you'd be using for your reflections. If you're using Weebly for your class website, you have a couple of different options. You can either add a new site, it's just a blog for your reflections, and go through the same steps that you did for creating your original Weebly website, or you can choose to go to your website, and just in the same way you would work on your website, you can go up here to Pages. You can add a new page. I'm going to call this one Reflection Blog. What I want to do here is, now that I've created this Reflection Blog page, I want to come down to Save and Edit. And then I'd also go up to where it says Publish at the top of the page, top right, and I'm going to click Publish. What that's going to do is that is going to publish your website with that blog page there. Now, even though we haven't done anything with that, I need to go load my website up in a browser, not within the Weebly editor. I want to look at it as if I was someone, a student or parent, looking at it from home. Then I'm going to go to the links up along the top here, and I'm going to go find Reflection Blog. Okay, once I've found this page, you notice there's nothing on there, but here is the address up top. For me, it's mr-read.weebly.com/reflection-blog. I'm going to copy that, and I can paste it in my notes application, or I can write it down somewhere where I can keep that address. And that's the address that I'm going to submit for my reflections. Now, we don't necessarily want this visible to your parents and students who are going to your regular website. So what we'll do now is we will go back to Weebly, and now you're back in the editor where you would have been editing the pages. I'm going to go back to Pages. I'm now going to say hide this page in navigation. Once I've checked that box, I'm going to come back to Publish. And now I don't see this in my list of links over here. I don't see Reflection Blog. So unless someone has this exact address, they are not finding their page on your site. If I were to go back, take it out, and just go to my main Weebly page, I look back over here, and I cannot find the link to get to that page. So unless I know the address for that page, I'm not finding it. That's how you keep it hidden on Weebly.